Irontrap garage. Birds are chirping. It's sort of trying to rain. Any of you guys who follow my Instagram, again, at Irontrap, I may have seen I ran in the pouring rain in a monsoon to score a killer deal in Manayunk outside of Philadelphia to pick up a lift. Super cheap. A buddy of mine used to work there. The shop was swapping some lifts around. Nothing wrong with these. They were trying to reconfigure their shop to get more lifts in, and it was $300 for a working, nice USA-made two-post lift. Couldn't turn it down. Hauled ass down there, got it. It's been sitting on the trailer for like a month.
Yeah, Matt actually had to borrow somebody's other trailer the other day because his is too full of junk.
Yeah, to load more junk, I had to borrow a trailer to. So anyways, I got together a bunch of people, and today we are going to try and get the lift stood up, assembled, stood up, and lagged into the floor, and get my trailer freed up. But thought it'd be fun to film just the process of moving cars around, getting the lift up, and soon I won't be laying on my back anymore welding, which will be...
When I have to do oil changes, I know where I'm coming.
Oh, damn it. So we're going to move this stuff around, get the trailer a little closer, and start getting a game plan formed. how it does it. This is pretty scary. At least I'm not that high up. What?
I'm just seeing how much air is coming out.
Now it's, you can hear it. Hear it? I don't know if it needs more than that or...
That's pretty high. You want to go higher?
I mean, that would put the car... Well, you wouldn't be able to stand underneath the car.
You wouldn't be able to either.
You want to go a little more.
I don't know when the cylinders...
I'm sure they have it designed that it gets on. That's probably...
How you getting down?
I don't know. Pull these locks and let's see if I go down really fast.
You could pull this one.
Dude, I'm like... I just had this feeling of falling backwards into that and...
Ready?
Yeah. Are you filming?
Yeah. Dude.
Suspension dropped a little. Makes everything look cooler. It's not bad. I'm scared to get under it. I'll walk under it. No. Fucking last thing I need. Don't crush the windshield. I see it.
So, this is the happiest I've seen Matt in a while. He's super excited.
Not much makes me happy. Well, I don't show emotion. Lots
Yes.
of stuff makes me happy, but this is when you know you made it. I'm a real adult.
He has a lift.
I have a lift, so this is kind of like when I bought my house and the shop and the property. It was like I had like these timelines or goals, and one of the things I wanted to do in the first year or two was get a lift. But of course, I'm a cheap ass, so I don't want to just buy a new lift. How would I do that?
Yeah, exactly.
That's like the same thing to do. So waited and got a lift for really cheap. It took a little longer, but I got one for like my super cheap budget price. Got it in. There was a little bit of time between us shooting the putting up of the lift. Mike had a small little life thing go
Yes.
on.
I'm a father now, so I've been out of the picture of the channel for a couple weeks trying to get things back to normal, but I have to do a little bit of work yet. It's temporarily wired right now. I'm gonna run conduit and make it all look fancy and correct and nice. So we just have it temporarily wired, but he was like a little school kid and he's like, let's make it work.
Yeah,
So it's temporarily wired, but it works great as you saw from the shot. I mean, it's really, really smooth.
Yeah, it goes up and I was a little worried about getting the cables adjusted for the locks because a couple of buddies I talked to were like, oh, it's a pain in the butt to get the locks so that they hit. A lot of guys like them where they lock just after each other, so you can hear an audible click, so you know that both locks are set when you are working under it. But we kind of hit it just about first try. I mean, we might adjust it a little bit, but it's pretty darn good. And yeah, everything worked. We had to go eeny, miny, mo which car to put on the lift. It's the Sport Coupe is the least one. I'm the least attached to it, and if it falls down, I wouldn't be as sad. So yeah, here it is. It's awesome.
Matt's going to turn into more of a hoarder because now he has another parking spot.
Yay!
So something when it's done running will be, or in the midst of working, will be stashed under here. I absolutely guarantee it.
We should take bets on how long. Is it going to be a week, 3 days, a month? I mean, I do have I do have a couple leads on things I'm waiting to work out, so that could happen anytime.
Winter time, there will be no spots left on the floor, I guarantee it.
Yeah, maybe.
The other thing we were discussing is his frame table's always, if it's not in use, it's kind of in the way.
Yep.
And this is like the perfect spot. Put a car that you're not really working on at this moment up on it, tuck the frame table under it, and now you have a little bit more floor space to work with.
Yeah, that's going to be a huge, huge one because we're always squeezing in around the frame table. We're trying to shoot around it. We're shooting videos, and that's actually probably the best use of this space is putting the frame table under because we can easily.
We'll put a car there anyway.
Yeah, whatever. Or we'll put a car where that is.
Yeah, exactly.
More of a pain in the butt. But so yeah, lifts in action. We're doing pretty good, and now I can address a bunch of stuff. I mean, the meat truck has had just hacked off exhaust, his straight pipes right underneath of the seat. So you can never drive it with the door shut or you will die. And you might die even just sitting in traffic with the exhaust fumes. So I need to make up just some pipes to go to the back. That's something I've been waiting for a while. The Pagoda City Coupe, there's a couple odds and ends of stuff that I kind of just half-assed did just to get the car going that I'd like to clean up underneath of the car. So that'll be cool to throw it on the lift one day when I'm bored and fix up that stuff so I can. It'll just make life so much easier.
And that's the new place to get your oil change done at because
no,
here's the lift.
No oil changes. It has to be 60 years or older, 50 years or older.
I tried everybody.
So thanks guys, appreciate you guys watching. If you like these kind of videos where we're just showing us doing stuff, going places, building things, doing stuff that isn't just building a car, definitely give us a comment. Let us know that you like these videos. Where we got some comments that people were liking our adventure picking stuff videos like this, tool videos, and we definitely want to know that you guys like watching these because these videos do take quite a lot of effort between Mike and I for filming and editing. So we want to make sure we're making videos that you guys enjoy and you guys want to watch. So thanks guys for watching. Catch you later.